हम रोमा पार्क एम्पी थिएटर में इंडिया डे फेयर 2025 सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए। मैं हूं आरी और मेरे साथ है
शर्मीन, आपकी सबसे प्यारी प्यारी एंड आरी।
That's good. अच्छा, शर्मीन और मैं ऑब्वियसली यहाँ ढेर सारे लोगों से बात करने वाले हैं, परफॉर्मर्स से बात करने वाले हैं, तो अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में चलते हैं फिर।
नहीं, कुछ खा लेते हैं आरी।
भूख लगी है तो सबसे पहले किसी चीज़ की क्रेविंग हो रही है या कुछ भी चलेगा?
Do they have chaat here?
They have chaat and they have chai.
चाट एंड चाय, पानी पूरी है
तो वहीं से शुरुआत करें फिर।
लेट्स गो।
चलो।
बट मैं शेयर नहीं करूँगी आरी।
एक गोलगप्पा तो दे सकती हो।
बिल्कुल नहीं, पानी पूरी।
तो 4 पैसे ले लेना, बदले में कुछ ले लेना, कुछ तो दोगी।
I'm just joking, Ari. Let's go straight up to the food.
Let's go. इंडिया डे फेयर पर आज मैं हूँ तन्वी के साथ और इस छोटे से बम के गोले के साथ। तन्वी बताओ जरा कैसा महसूस हो रहा है आज बच्चे के साथ?
माय गॉड भाई, क्या बताऊँ, पूरे के पूरे इंडिया डे फेयर में ये भाग रहा है। आई कांट स्टैंड एट वन प्लेस। और अभी दूसरा न्यूटेला पार्ट 2 भी होने वाला था। खोल के वो बैठ गया था, मुझे लगा ये आज सबको न्यूटेला खिलाने वाला है। सो इट्स रियली अमेजिंग अप हियर, बट इस बच्चे ने मेरी सच्चे में बैंड बजा रखी है।
शाबाश बेटा, ऐसा ही करता रहे आगे भी। मुझे याद है पिछली बार जब मैं यहाँ आया था तो तन्वी को बच्चा इस स्पॉट की बजाय उस स्पॉट पे तंग कर रहा था, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू सी कि कुछ भी नहीं बदला है। उसने न्यूटेला में कवर कर लिया था अभी अपने आप को रिसेंटली पूरे तरीके से, और कारपेट खराब कर दी थी। शाबाश मेरे शेर, कहाँ है तू? हो गया। I'm standing outside Memino here at the India Day Fair, and I'm going to have a little chat and find out how the day has been so far. Has it been a busy day?
Yeah, getting busy now, yeah. Morning was busy, and now getting busy, yeah.
Which one is the most popular flavor?
Oh, the macadamia one is most popular. The marvelous macadamia and chocolate macadamia, and Cuba Mamino also busy.
That's really nice to hear. Do you manufacture them here in Queensland?
Yes, we actually the Mamino is born in Bundaberg, Childers. Nearly 15 years in market, and last one year before we moved to the Sunshine Coast, and we producing ice cream from Sunshine Coast.
That's really nice to hear. Thank you so much for your time today. Hopefully you enjoy the fair.
Thank you for time.
The India Day Fair is definitely not confined to just the Indian people who are living in Brisbane. The fair is open to all. It is a free event for the entire family. I can see a beautiful family here with us today, and I would love to chat to them a little bit more. Guys, thank you for attending this event for us.
Pleasure.
And how are you finding it?
Yeah, it's great. It's wonderful.
So is it the dance performances or the food or both?
Both, absolutely both. And just spending a lovely family day out.
That's beautiful to hear. What about you, little lady? What's your favorite part been so far?
The iced tea.
Do you like the iced tea? Are you planning to try more Indian food, or this is it? We are done for today. Good job. Thank you.
Well, you wouldn't know it from looking at her, but she has one Indian grandmother who is over here.
Yeah?
So she's at least a quarter Indian.
Yeah, absolutely. I always say that the culture doesn't belong to just people of that country. The culture belongs to everyone. If there are good things you find in the Indian culture, I would love you to adopt them and be a part of us. Welcome. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. आज मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही प्यारी लेडी हैं जो फिलहाल आइस टी एंजॉय कर रही हैं, और इनकी फैमिली ने मुझे बताया कि पार्टीशन के दौरान ये वहीं पर थीं। आप मुझे बताइए कि इतने लंबे टाइम बाद ऑस्ट्रेलिया में इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस डे मनाकर आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
काफ़ी साल पहले मेरी को बच्चे भी नहीं थे, शादी भी नहीं थी। ये बच्ची है मेरी
जी,
और होती, और आप सब अच्छे लग रहे हैं।
आप उस टाइम पे क्या कर रहे थे जब पार्टीशन हो रहा था?
मैं लाहौर में रहती थी
जी।
लाहौर के साथ रवि गाँव कुछ और वो लोग मेरे पीछे लगे हुए थे। फिर मैं पहुंच गई, बार पहुंच गई।
तो उन सब से बच के आप पहुंच गए आपको जहां पहुंचना था।
हाँ, दिल्ली पर पहुंच गई। हमारे रिश्तेदार भी थे तो वहाँ पहुंच गए। फिर अब कहाँ कई जगह का।
तो अब ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रहना आपको अच्छा लगता है? सच बताइएगा।
अच्छा लगा।
अच्छी जगह है।
अच्छा लगा, अभी भी अच्छा लगता है।
और यहाँ की इंडियन कम्युनिटी भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है।
हाँ। अच्छा, ठीक है, चलते हैं।
आपके टाइम के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हम काफ़ी स्पेशल फील कर रहे हैं आपसे बात करके। आप शायद उन गिने चुने लोगों में से यहाँ हैं जो हमें पार्टीशन के बारे में।
कभी एड्रेस छोड़ के जाऊंगी, आप मेरे एड्रेस में जहाँ भी बोले आ सकते।
थैंक यू सो मच, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू।
Ladies and gentlemen, I am at the India Day Fair with these incredibly beautiful dressed ladies, and I'm going to have a little bit of a chat about their experiences today. How do you think events like these are beneficial for young children from our culture?
Look, I think these kind of events are really helpful because it's completely cultural, not just one culture, multiple cultures from India. So I think it's really good for kids that they participate, they get excited, they start their preparations like months before. So it's amazing how like they are passionate to do this. They're so excited to perform. They're so excited for to represent their culture, like everyone. Punjabi, Rajasthani, Gujarati, like all of them. It's beautiful to see every single culture, and kids, of course. Yeah.
Absolutely, couldn't agree more. What do you think?
Look, I believe it's very much helpful for children to learn the languages as well as different folk dances. So, like children from Punjabi families, they don't get to see Rajasthani dances, which is like amazing here. The diversity is the main thing here. So it's really great.
Let me ask one of those children we have been talking about so far. How do you find coming to events like these? I'm pretty sure you'll be attending. You participate and you often are a part of the dance crew. What value do you see in events such as these for yourself?
I really like performing, and when I do perform, it kind of like gives me like joy and saying, oh, I'm appreciating my culture, I'm appreciating my people, and like it's great to learn like stuff from our culture being in Australia, because people like me aren't really as fortunate to learn that stuff because of their family's personal beliefs. In Australia, I do Gidda and Bhangra, which are two Punjabi folk dances. Gidda is most common in girls, but not Bhangra, so coming to do it and doing it in Australia is a pretty big deal for other people that can't do it.
When I was emceeing, I noticed behind the stage, performers like yourself were actually having a peek at what other performers were doing. Do you do that too? And if you do, what is your favorite dance form other than Gidda and Bhangra?
I personally do that a lot because you want to see like what other people are doing, because like you know what you're doing, but there's other cultures that you don't really know what they do. Me and my group were looking at the Bollywood dances, and we thought that was really interesting because they use very unique steps that we've never used before.
Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Have a lovely afternoon, ladies. Thank you.
You've been great as MC as well. Thank you for doing that.
आज मैं हूँ इंडिया डे फेयर में ढिंचक डांस ग्रुप के साथ। ढिंचक, what a name. Ladies, कैसी थी तैयारी आपकी? बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगी यहाँ तक पहुँचने में या फिर ये आसान था?
I would say it was quite a breeze.
Not many performers would say that, but I'm really happy to hear your confidence. So, the inspiration to start a dance group in Australia, in Brisbane, where did that come from?
She's the leader of our group. She encouraged, motivated all of us.
And I'm guessing when you guys are not doing this, there are obviously other things that keep you busy. So how do you find the time?
Over weekends. We managed to, but I think for the past 8 weeks we've been practicing. And it's just an hour per week.
How's the family holding up themselves without you guys at home for 8 weeks?
You're super supportive, okay? I must, super supportive.
Your husband is gonna be so happy for all the...
So they know we love it, so they're always there.
I think that's how it should be, right? We all live busy lives, but if you got a supportive spouse or supportive family, everything feels so easy, right? Thank you so much for your time. I wish you all the best on the stage and have a lovely afternoon.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I have with me the Federal Treasurer of Australia, the one and only Mr. Jim Palmer, MP. Jim, is this your first India Day Fair that you're attending?
Oh no, I come to India Fair almost every year. I don't think I've missed one for some time because it's an opportunity to come and tell people how much we appreciate the nation of India, but also people of Indian origin in our local communities, our local neighbourhoods and charities and schools and small businesses, but also the big contribution that Indians make to our national economy as well.
That was actually my next question. An event like this, what do you think it means for the wider Australian multicultural society?
Well, I think this has become really one of the most important dates on the calendar because the Indian community plays such an immense and important role in our economies and in our communities, and so a day like today really recognises that. And when you look around and you see so many friendly faces, so many influential people making a massive contribution to Australia, the overwhelming feeling that we have is a feeling of gratitude.
Wonderful, Jim. Thank you so much. One last question, because I know you have a plane to catch. If you had to describe the feeling of India Day Fair in one word, what would that be?
Oh, it'd be gratitude, but also I think for a lot of people here, they come here for friendship. So gratitude, or if not gratitude, then friendship.
I was hoping for something more energetic, but we'll go with gratitude and friendship.
That's the best I've got for you. Thanks for the opportunity to have a chat.
Thank you so much for joining us, Jim.
आज मैं हूँ पुष्पेंद्र जी के साथ इंडिया डे फेयर 2025 पर। मतलब गर्व से सीना चौड़ा हो गया होगा ना बिल्कुल आपका।
देखो पगड़ी भी है, रिबन भी है, भारतवासी हैं।
जय हिंद जय भारत है ना।
जय हिंद जय भारत।
आज के प्रोग्राम में सबसे ज्यादा क्या अच्छी लगी आपको चीज?
आई थिंक सबसे बढ़िया तो एक तो राजस्थानी डांस था जो शुरुआत की, बस ऑफ कोर्स महास्वामी गेटिंग द अवार्ड, ही डिजर्व्स इट। और बाकी ये जो है जनता यहाँ पर है,
The crowd makes it awesome. पुष्पेंद्र जी, हम आपसे मिलते रहेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम और कांग्रेचुलेशंस आपको भी अवार्ड मिलने के लिए।
थैंक यू जी, ये है सबकी मेहरबानी है, कम्युनिटी की मेहरबानी।
जी, हैव अ लवली आफ्टरनून। थैंक यू। आज मैं हूँ इंडियन हाई कॉन्सुलेट ब्रिस्बेन के अंदर नीतू जी के साथ। नीतू जी, शायद ही कोई ऐसा इंडियन इवेंट है जिसमें आप मुझे आजकल दिखाई नहीं देते। इतनी एनर्जी कहाँ से लाते हैं आप?
ये एनर्जी सारा जो हमारी कम्युनिटी है यहाँ पे, अगर वो इतना मेहनत कर सकती है, इतने इवेंट्स कर सकती है, हमारे कल्चर को प्रमोट करने में इतना एफर्ट कर सकती है, तो मैं बिल्कुल उसमें शामिल हो सकती हूँ। तो ये एनर्जी मुझे उन्हीं से मिलती है।
आपको बड़ा फक्र महसूस होता होगा कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया जैसी जगह, वो भी ब्रिस्बेन, जहाँ पे इंडियंस की पॉपुलेशन उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है अभी भी, वहाँ भी हम इतने बड़े बड़े और अच्छे इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करा पाते हैं।
नहीं, आई थिंक वी आर डूइंग मच बेटर देन अदर स्टेट्स ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया।
दैट्स द स्पिरिट।
और आगे चल के, एंड दो वी आर लेस इन नंबर, बट द कम्युनिटी इज ग्रोइंग एंड आई थिंक इट्स द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग डायस्पोरा इन क्वींसलैंड।
हाई काउंसलेट, मेरी आपसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, किसी तरीके से ये जो फिल्म फेस्टिवल मेलबर्न में मनाया जा रहा है ना, इसको आप ब्रिस्बेन लेके आइए।
आई सपोर्ट यू।
Thank you so much for your time. Have a lovely afternoon.
Thank you.
At the India Day Fair 2025, I am with Narendra Singh. Narendra ji, जहाँ पे आपकी स्टॉल है, I can see that you've got a really beautiful look of the stage. What has been your best performance today?
To be honest, choosing the best one will be a bit hard because since I have come here with my family, my kids are pretty much dancing on every single thing they're performing on the stage. And the time they played dhol, man, we were all dancing as a team. So whatever is there, we all been enjoying. And meet my director.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Nice to meet you. How are you enjoying the India Day Fair?
Yes. Very interesting, very colorful, and lots of people here. We are happy to be here.
You were telling me about kids enjoying a lot of that music and dancing. Isn't that the best part about these events, that the next generation gets to learn a bit more about the culture and our history?
Absolutely. See, we are celebrating our freedom here. And when it comes to dance, you are free. And while we're talking about social freedom, we as a property company, we help people gaining financial freedom. That's what it's all about. And mingling with similar mindset people is a great opportunity. And we are proud sponsor of this event. And so happy to be here.
Thank you so much for putting your support behind events such as these. And I'm sure others in the community. I really, really appreciate your time. Thank you so much to both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm standing in front of the GOPIO information tent here at the India Day Fair 2025, and I'm talking to the lovely lady who is looking after this tent. That is an incredibly beautiful outfit. What part of India are you from?
I'm actually from a small country in Central America called El Salvador, and it just happens that I fell in love with the Indian culture after I met Umesh and Ushaji and Auntie Janet Dean, and they embraced me like I was part of the family. And since then, everyone's reminded me I am part of the family, because what they said to me actually one day when I was just having one of those moments was that, just because you're an adopted child doesn't mean you love them any less. And since then, I've always felt like I'm part of the community. I love the culture. And spiritually, I feel so connected that I wouldn't be anywhere else, to be honest.
I can reassure you that you are well and truly a part of the community. Don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. We are so glad to have you here. How has been the response today at the tent?
Can I tell you, it's been overwhelming. Thank you so much for giving us a big shout out. A lot of people have come out to give us, to register. There's been a lot of people saying, we want to volunteer with GOPIO. We love what you're doing today. Other people have dug deep and bought some amazing tickets for the raffle prize. We got some lovely people who have donated we've got here Councillor Penny Wolf. We've got the lovely ladies that were doing henna here before. My son and I also donated, and also we had ANZ and Sonia donate. So I really want to give those women a big shout out. Honestly, they have dug out of their own pockets to make sure that today we could raise some much needed funds, and that's really important. And for us to continue to do this, we need that type of support, financial support as well.
We all need to band together and keep these cultural and beautiful festivals going throughout the country, particularly here in Brisbane.
We were talking before about that person that told me, that line that I said to you about being more than about blood. It's about spirituality. It's about, that love. This is the man that said those words to me. Who happens
Hello.
to be walking past.
Hello, yeah. So sorry, we were talking about the fair, yeah?
No, we're talking about how we had that conversation a while ago when I was questioning myself, and you said, no, you are part of the family, because it's not blood that connects you, it's that spirit of family. And this is the man that actually said those words to me, and it's changed my life forever.
Thank you, Nadia. That is so true. I think that is so true. And I believe in that truly, that it's not your color, it's not your origin, your ethnicity. It's just, we all have same soul, different bodies,
Yes.
So,
You need a big heart, and if that's big enough, the world is a small place. Is that where we're going?
yeah. Well, I don't know whether we're going that way or not, but that's the way we want to go.
Beautiful. Love to hear the spirit of community from both of you. I wish you all the best for this afternoon, and enjoy and have a lovely India Day Fair. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for everything.
आज मेरे साथ हैं गोपियों की प्रेसिडेंट उषा चंद्रा जी। उषा जी इस स्पेस में हम सब बच्चों को जब से याद है तब से इन्वॉल्व हैं, एंड इट कीप्स ऑन गेटिंग स्ट्रोंगर एंड बिगर every year. Usha ji, what keeps you going for an event like this, which is so tiring mentally and physically?
Thank you so much for having me. I mean, it's iconic festival, and we love India, so that gives us more energy to keep on going year after year, and to have all these people who love celebrating India's Independence Day. And they don't get that sort of opportunity like a Mela sort of area where people can come and celebrate India's Independence Day with food, culture, vibrant colors, and all beautiful performers. And today you are seeing that all levels of government have come here. All these ministers, they love India Day Fair as well.
and I'm happy that it happens this way, and Almighty's blessing has been there. So that's why we kept on going since we came to Australia. Actually, we've been doing community work since 1989 in Brisbane. So we would like all your youngsters to come and join us so you can take it to the next level. Thank you so much for having me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Usha ji is urging all youngsters to join and volunteer for events like these, which make the culture a little bit stronger. That was a very impressive VIP list, Usha ji. How hard is it to get time from the VIPs and get them all under one roof?
Actually, it's not a very hard task for me. If I ring any VIPs, they don't decline me. So they all say, yeah, we are coming and everything else. Like Honorable Jim Chalmers' office didn't do the VIP, the RSVP for VIP.
Yeah.
But he said, you control the Australia's wealth. You have to come here. So everybody here is trying to help and support. And now Shamin is here. So she's a very good MC as well. And you are, Ari. You have been with us on the radio as well. And so thank you so much for your support. So youngsters like you and Shamin, they all come, and then we can make it bigger and better. And next year, please mark everybody's diary for 15th of August, and it will be our 15th year celebration for GOPIO Queensland. And we'll be celebrating in a bigger and better way.
Thank you. I'm already excited about the 15-year celebration next year. My viewers who are watching me, 15th of August 2026 is the day of this event. If we start now and we volunteer in time, we can make it bigger and better. Thank you, Usha ji. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.